This coal train symbolizes how interconnected the world of international trade has become, and how this is reflected in the local and worldwide activities of the Elk Valley Coal Partnership. The 6 mines that make up the partnership produce and ship metallurgical coal to over 30 different countries, making the partnership the world's 2nd largest exporter of metallurgical coal, capable of supplying 25 million tons of high-quality coal products annually to the steel industry. Most of our coal for export comes from our 5 mining operations in the Elk Valley in southeastern British Columbia. This is where over 2,600 employees live and work in an industry where everything is done on a safe but extra large scale. Huge shovels scoop up to 60 tons of rock at a time. Trucks riding on tires the size of elephants easily handle loads well in excess of 300 tons. They operate 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And in an average year, our employees produce a whopping 25 million tons of coal for export. That's enough coal to fill up over 1,900 coal trains a year, which in turn is enough coal to load 250 average-sized ships. We have to mention dinosaurs because they were there at the birth of coal. It's a fossil fuel, and as such, was formed by a process that subjected plant remains from the dinosaur age to high heat and great pressures for up to 150 million years. The result, up here in the Rocky Mountains, is the kind of coal needed to make steel. It's called bituminous metallurgical coal, and we use very sophisticated open-pit mining methods to get at it. It's an immense top-to-bottom process that removes the waste rock a layer at a time to expose the coal seams. We call these layers benches because that's what they look like as we clear them off before moving down to the next level. Powerful electric shovels load the waste rock into trucks to haul it away from the actual coal mining areas. These shovels, which can cost up to $15 million, can load a truck in 90 seconds. The trucks cost up to $4.5 million each, and their tires, which run about $25,000 apiece, have to be replaced every 6 months or so. Their fuel tanks hold 4,500 liters, which they consume at a rate of 100 to 135 liters an hour. Designed for safety and durability, these vehicles also have pressurized cabs, air ride seats, and other features for driver comfort. Meanwhile, bulldozers work the coal seam, cleaning it and pushing the coal down onto the bench so it can be loaded into coal trucks. They're a little smaller than the waste haul trucks. They can only handle 155 tons, and they haul coal for delivery to the rotary breaker. This unit breaks the coal into smaller pieces and removes large rocks to begin the process of cleaning the coal. International buyers pay the best price for clean coal, so all 25 million tons of the partnership's coal for export goes through quite a transition. In this plant, coal is screened and sorted into different sizes. It's washed to remove impurities, and then it's dried to remove unwanted moisture. Then it's loaded onto coal trains for delivery to ports on the Pacific Coast or in Thunder Bay, Ontario. These unit train systems are one of the world's most efficient ways to transport bulk material on land. They're up to 125 cars in length. Each car can hold up to 100 tons of coal, so a full train can haul over 13,000 tons, and yet it only takes 4 hours to load. That's about a minute and a half a car full. Each car is sprayed with a dust suppressant to minimize coal dust from blowing off. And then, these amazing trains make the 1,150-kilometer trip to West Shore terminals on the coast and back again in less than 4 days. The key to all this speed and efficiency, the foundation for our world-class productivity, is right here in the Elk Valley. Welders, mechanics, miners, equipment operators, engineers, IT specialists, indeed a veritable team of employees from all areas keep our mines operating 24 hours a day. On top of their job skills, many employees become fully trained and qualified members of mine rescue teams that are so effective they can respond to any emergency, on the job or in their communities. They hone these skills at local and provincial mine rescue competitions and volunteer as firefighters and first aid providers in their hometowns. Along with our employees, the partnership is active in the local communities by supporting local businesses, organizations, and community services. The partnership also contributes to the quality of education in local schools by supporting career days, funding scholarships, donating computer equipment, and encouraging public awareness. The company also provides summer employment for local students. This concern for quality of life includes environmental stewardship. Detailed environmental management programs are designed to make it possible for us to reclaim mined-out areas and return them to productive use again. What you see here was once a mine site. We've replanted the trees, and now the wildlife is returning. And if you look carefully into the stream, you can see healthy trout swimming here. As with so many other things in today's world, everything is interconnected. Whether the steel in this train comes from Europe, Japan, or Korea, you can be sure that some of it was forged with coke made from the coal produced by the employees of the Elk Valley Coal Partnership in the Elk Valley.